guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toothpaste slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notifications got to my last video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and the comments down below give some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make toothpaste slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime for today is toothpaste, and I'm using this Colgate one. You guys will also need any type of thick soap. I'm just using this body wash Elsa soap. You guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to get out your bowl or plate and you're going to add in your soap. I'm also sorry if you hear any noises. I am outside today filming and it's a little bit noisy out here. So I'm going to add my soap in, and you can see how it is. It's such a pretty light blue color. And then you're first just going to mix it around for just a little bit. Okay, that's just enough mixing. You really don't need to mix it a lot. And now you're going to get your toothpaste out, and I forgot to take the little tab off right here, so I'm going to take the tab off. And this soap, wow, this toothpaste smells so good. It has like unicorns all over it. And you're going to add it into your soap. And you kind of want to make sure the toothpaste is like this gel type of toothpaste, because I was testing this before with another type of toothpaste and it was exactly like this one and it worked pretty well. And now you're just going to get mixing it together. And I can already see it's getting really thick, and that's what you want to see. Just enough mixing, and now what you're going to do is you're going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes you're going to take it out, mix it up, make sure it's working, and put it back in. So I'll see you guys in about a minute. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and here it is, and you can see it watered up a lot. I'm going to say that's from the toothpaste kind of just like going to the bottom. So I'm going to see how this turned out, and oh my gosh, it formed slime. I kind of knew this would happen. Like, I knew this would happen because I tested it before. But you can see here it is. It's very, very sticky. Probably should have left it in the freezer for a bit longer. But you can see it formed slime. And this is such a thick slime. I can already tell. And I'm actually going to try putting it back in the freezer for another 30 minutes. And I'll see you guys in a second so I can show you guys how it actually will turn out. Okay, so it's been about another 30 minutes, and you can see it's thickened up just a bit more. It's not completely done, but I really wanted to show you guys it. You can see it's just so thick now. It's still very sticky, but it did form into a type of gel-like slime, and it is caused from the toothpaste and the soap, the thick soap, and it turned out really good. I'm gonna say this is about a win-win, but if I left it in a bit longer, it would make a perfect no-glue slime, like perfect. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to check out all my social medias. I have a Tik Toc if you guys didn't know, so make sure you go check it out as well. But yeah, bye guys, I love you so much, and peace and thumbs up for no-glue slime recipes. Bye!